Starting our trip now. It's 301 miles. I put a full charge on the Model X here. We can do a round trip with 12% remaining upon arrival. It's 123 miles to our destination in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, and we're going to do it all without charging here. Of course, no trip is complete without a Scottish breakfast. We are headed to Pigeon Forge, Tennessee today in the Model X. It looks like we'll get there in 118 miles, 2 hours and 12 minutes. I'm here with the in-laws and family, and we're heading that way. We came in from the east here on Interstate 40, and to get to Pigeon Forge, of course, you can take 40 here all the way where it meets 81 and then down, and then take this road down through Sevierville. Today, we're going to take a road I don't think I've been on before, and if I have, I'm not sure. We're going to come down, take 339, which goes almost directly to Pigeon Forge. So that's how we're going to go this afternoon. Just coming into Sevierville now in Pigeon Forge. We are going to charge up a little bit at the Titanic Experience. It's up here on the right next to the upside down house, and Hatfields and McCoys. It's a real big tourist area around here, a lot of stuff to see.
Now turn right.
Oh, sorry. And right here in the corner is the Tesla wall connectors. There's two wall connectors right here in the corner of the Titanic Museum, which is very cool. So we're going to connect up here, and I think that they're 50 amps at 240 volts. I'm here at the Titanic Museum, where there's two Tesla wall connectors. And I've been here a bunch of times, but apparently both of them are reporting an error. Not sure what that means. I reset them, I turn the breaker off, turn it back on, and I have no luck. So I think I'm going to do is, there's a Blink charger over here. I think I'm going to go get a little juice over there, because I do have a Blink account. We're at the Titanic Museum, and this Model 3 showed up. It's my daughter's friends, and we've got these two wall connectors. I've reset the circuit breaker in the panel here, and when I plug it in, it says charger reports an error. I reset them and did all the normal things you would on a wall connector. So just for fun, we plugged it into the Model 3, no problem. So I'm not sure what's going on, but I'll certainly deal with that. So there you go, and I'm stuck over on the Blink charger at a level 2 at only 20 miles per hour. But I guess juice is better than no juice. So here we are playing miniature golf. Oh boy. Here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, we had dinner playhouse here at the Pirates Voyage. It's a lot of fun, cute, something you don't see every day. Got a little bit to eat. Food was good. It was a lot of fun here in Pigeon Forge. All right, we are leaving the Dollywood, Sevierville, Pigeon Forge area. We got a 3% arrival, and looking good. Just on 441 now, headed east. We are home. A real weird thing happened today. I usually go to the Titanic, plug in for 30 or 40 minutes and top up and then drive home. Today, both of the chargers faulted out. I reset the circuit breaker in the panel there and several times, and it came up with a charger fault here in the Model X. So we've arrived here now. As you can see, 0 miles, and we have a power limit. Now, you guys remember the power limit from when I tested the Model Y. Tesla is pretty smart. They have a power limit. This is a performance Model X, and it's good for over 600 kilowatts of power, 700 horsepower. But the power limit, the little yellow line, is way down there by the 250 kilowatt, which means we have power limit. If you remember from the Model Y, the power limit was on the right of the line across the top and working its way towards the center, and when it got to the center, you were walking. In this case, we would be walking if this power limit got all the way down to the KW. But probably, I would say about 9-10 miles, it turned to 0 miles. We came down the grade there for a while, and the power limit disappeared, and then it's come back and disappeared. So anyway, I'm home now, but it's kind of interesting to see. So the moral of the story is, when you own a Tesla, when it gets to 0, or in this case, if I switch over to the mileage here, whoops, sorry. In the Tesla, when I get over to miles, we are 0. So there's still plenty of energy. Don't freak out if you're getting close to 0. Do not try to run it much less than 0 as a normal thing. It is not really recommended. It's kind of like a spare amount of fuel when you're on E and the red light comes on in your fossil fuel car. This one is the way it operates. So you still got that 25 miles or so or more past 0 that's indicated here on the screen. So there you go. That's just a little added information. I stopped at the supercharger in Asheville. I thought I would get 10 minutes of charge. Interesting thing, the supercharger would not recognize the car or vice versa. So it's leading to me that maybe something happened today. The wall connectors at Titanic didn't work, yet they worked when a Model 3 my daughter's plugged in. And then I was not able to charge, but I put it over on the Blink charger, the level 2, and it did charge at 7 kilowatts. So I'm about to plug it in here to my wall connector. I'm going to see if it charges. But I think there's some issue possibly with the charge port here in the Model X. I'll get to the bottom of it and let you know. Well, the Model X was so ever happy to get a charge. It looks like my wall connector charges here. So go figure. We're going to have to get to the bottom of it. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon not to miss any videos going forward. And if you'd like to buy yourself a Tesla, the referral link shown at the bottom of the screen gets you 1,000 miles or 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging. Thank you very much for watching. I'll look for you again, and take care.